Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store or just found items or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. box is complete. I am so excited for this project because it is a special gift for a special friend here in my hometown. The manifestation box is something she's discussed before, so I made it for her. So final product, just so you can see what it looks like. It's got glitter all the way around this bottom part completely. And here's the inside. I'm not going to do anything extra with it because I want her to be able to make it her own on the inside, because that's important with a manifestation box. Now, you don't have to use the same kind of designs that I did. You got to find what the person likes who you're doing the manifestation box for, and then decorate accordingly. She likes blue, she likes agate, and she likes glitter. So that's what I put on her box. And then this on the inside, the felt on the inside, I thought would be a nice touch depending on what she wanted. And I actually made her just a little tiny bottle of, like a meditation bottle that will fit right inside here, just like this. That it could be closed up and she can use it for a meditation box if she really wants to. But I figure that it'll work out either way, no matter what. And hopefully it'll be something that she enjoys. This is her Christmas present. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this video. It's really easy to do. You can use just about anything that you want. I highly recommend that if you are staining your wood box, you make sure that it's dry before you start adding other stuff to it. And you can actually varnish it, or not varnish it, but add a clear coat over the top of it if you wanted. I did not, because I didn't want the shiny on the box. And I mean, the options are completely open. This little box probably costed me $1.99 at Hobby Lobby, so it was not very expensive. And this little agate piece, I had extra left over from something, so that wasn't very expensive. These little pieces right here came in a set of 4, and they costed me about $2. And then the felt piece costed me a whopping 36 cents. So I made everything on this for basically under $5. And it's a very beautiful gift. And it really just hopefully will be something that my friend will enjoy. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.